Today we will calculate the packing efficiency in CCP structure, that is FCC unit cell. Packing efficiency is defined as the percentage of total space occupied by the particles, and these particles may be atom, molecule or ion, and it is represented in the form of spheres. It is calculated as volume occupied by the spheres in the unit cell divided by the total volume occupied by the unit cell multiplied by 100. Now let us calculate the packing efficiency. This FCC unit cell is formed as a result of CCP, cubic close packed arrangement, where let us see with the help of a model. This ball represents, this is first layer, this is second layer, this one is third layer, and this is fourth layer. When these balls are packed in CCP, that is cubic close pack arrangement, unit cell form is FCC, that is face centered cubic unit cell, where the atoms are placed at the corners of the unit cell, as well as extra atoms are placed at the face centered position. Here we can see from the model that the atoms which are placed at the corners of the unit cell do not touch each other. The spheres which are placed along the face diagonal touch each other, whereas the spheres which are placed at the corners of the unit cell do not touch each other. In this type of unit cell, spheres are placed at the corners of the unit cell, as well as extra spheres are placed at the face centered position. So in this unit cell, the spheres which are placed along the face diagonal touch each other, but the spheres which are placed at the corners of the unit cell do not touch each other. Let us have the view. This is face centered unit cell. In this unit cell, spheres are placed at the corners of the unit cell, as well as extra spheres are placed at the face centered position of all the 6 faces. And this unit cell is known as face centered cubic unit cell. Let us calculate the packing efficiency. Now, in this figure, triangle A, B and C. Let us take this triangle ABC. This is a cubic unit cell where all the 3 edge lengths A, B and C are equal to each other, and they are equal to A, where A represents the edge length. In this triangle, AB is equal to A and BC is also equal to A. Here, the angle alpha, beta and gamma, all the 3 angles are equal to each other, and they are also equal to 90 degree. The triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, where AC represents the hypotenuse of the triangle, and according to the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square, and AB is equal to A and BC is also equal to A. So AC square will be equal to AB square, that is A square, and BC square, that is also A square. So AC square is equal to A square plus A square, that is 2A square. And taking the root on both the side, we get AC is equal to root 2A. Now in this type of unit cell, the spheres which are present along the face diagonal touch each other. So this diagonal AC is made up of 4R. R plus R plus R plus R, that is 4R. AC will be equal to 4R. Here AC, these 3 spheres, 1, 2 and 3. These 3 spheres touch each other. We can see from this model 1, 2 and 3. These are the spheres which are placed along the face diagonal. these three spheres are also placed along the face diagonal. Their surface touch each other. So in this type of unit cell, spheres which are placed along the face diagonal touch each other. So AC is equal to 4R, where R is the radius of the sphere. AC is equal to 2R. We have calculated as AC is equal to root 2R and AC is equal to 4R. So equating these two, 4R will be equal to root 2A, or A will be equal to 4R divided by root 2, or this will be equal to 2 root 2R. 4 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 and 2 can be written as under root 2 multiplied by under root 2. On cancelling the root 2 we get 2 root 2R. A is equal to 2 root 2R. Here A can be represented with the help of this formula as 4R divided by root 2. R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. Now let us calculate the volume of the cube, that is equal to volume of the cube, and it is represented as A cube, where A is the edge length or the edge length of the unit cell. So A cube, if we represent A in terms of R, that is equal to 2 root 2R. Here A is equal to 2 root 2R. If we substitute A in terms of R, we get A cube is equal to 2 root 2R whole cube. Now let us calculate the number of atoms per unit cell in FCC. This is face centered cubic unit cell. Here the atoms are placed at the corner of the unit cell, as well as extra atoms are placed at the face centered position. All the face centered position are occupied by these spheres. So we know that the corner contributes only 1 by 8. So 8 multiplied by 1 by 8 we get 1. And there are 6 faces and the spheres, 6 spheres are there placed at the face centered positions, and the face is common between two unit cell. So 6 multiplied by 1 by 2 will give 3. 3 contributed from the face centered position and 1 contributed from the corner. We get 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. So the number of atoms per unit cell in case of FCC comes out to be 4. The number of sphere per unit cell in FCC is equal to 4. Now let us calculate the volume occupied by the 4 sphere per unit cell. Volume occupied by the 4 sphere per unit cell will be equal to 4 multiplied by 4 by 3 pi r cube, where 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of a sphere, where r represents the radius of the sphere. So total volume will be 4 multiplied by 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is the volume occupied by the 4 spheres present per unit cell. Let us calculate the packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is calculated as volume occupied by the 4 spheres per unit cell divided by the total volume of the unit cell multiplied by 100. So total volume occupied by the 4 sphere is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by the volume occupied by the cube, that is equal to 2 root 2 r whole cube. 4 multiplied by 4 will give you 16 divided by 3 pi r cube, and 2 root 2 whole cube is equal to 16 root 2 r cube. 2 root 2 r whole cube is equal to 16 root 2 r whole cube. This r cube will cancel out, and on solving this expression we get 74% as a packing efficiency. So packing efficiency in case of face centered cubic unit cell comes out to be 74%. This packing efficiency of FCC and CCP as well as HCP, all the three have packing efficiency equal to 74%. Thank you.